Sometimes the fastest path is not more algebra, it is testing the answer choices. That shortcut is called backsolving, and it can save precious minutes on the ACT. In this video, you'll learn what backsolving is, when it works best, and how to use it confidently on multiple choice math problems. You're watching ACT Prep with Quizlet, quick lessons to help you feel more confident on test day. Backsolving means plugging answer choices into the problem and checking which one makes the statement true, either by hitting a target number or by making both sides equal. So when should you use backsolving? First, you are given an equation or expression. Second, the question asks for the value of a single variable. Third, the answer choices are numerical. If all three boxes are checked, backsolving is a strong option. Here is the model. Replace x with a choice. Compute the left side. If it equals the target number, that choice is the solution. And to save time, start with the middle choice to cut work in half. Now let's see this in action. Example 1. The equation is 3x minus 8 equals x plus 10. Start with the middle choice, 9. 3 times 9 minus 8 is 19. The right side is 9 plus 10, also 19. We hit the target on the first try, so the answer is C. And here's a common mistake. When the structure clearly supports backsolving, students still jump into extra algebra. If there's one variable and clean numbers, test the choices. Starting in the middle tells you which direction to go. So far, we defined backsolving, saw the model, worked to one example, and dodged a common pitfall. Ready to lock in? Tap the link for a quick ACT practice on Quizlet, then jump back in so you can keep learning without missing a beat. Example 2. 2 times the quantity x minus 3 plus 7 equals x plus 6. Start with the middle choice, 1. 2 times the quantity 1 minus 3 plus 7 is 3. The right side is 1 plus 6, which is 7. The left side is too small, so we need a larger x. Try 3. 2 times the quantity 3 minus 3 plus 7 is 7. The right side is 3 plus 6, which is 9. Still too small, so go larger. Try 5. 2 times the quantity 5 minus 3 plus 7 is 11. The right side is 5 plus 6, also 11. That's a match, so the answer is E. A quick table isn't required, but it keeps your work organized and confirms there's only one match. For x equals 1, the left side is 3 and the right side is 7. No. For x equals 3, the left side is 7 and the right side is 9. No. For x equals 5, the left side is 11 and the right side is 11. Yes. These checks confirm that 5 is the only match. And here's the decision rule that helps you save time on the ACT. If the choices include variables or the arithmetic gets messier than solving directly, switch to algebra. Backsolving is a tool, not a rule. In 1 minute, here's what we learned. Backsolving plugs choices into an equation and looks for the target. Start with the middle choice to go higher or lower. Use it when there is one variable and clean numbers. Avoid it when algebra is clearly faster. Keep learning. Visit our ACT Study Hub for practice tests to get you ready for test day.